Well, hello there, and I wanted to give an audio kind of video, I guess, a screencast of going through your action research plan. And I have to say, I've looked through it once, and I really like the way it's coming together. I would suggest, of course, you might replace these pictures with your own, or not, and not of students or the teacher necessarily, but you can replace them with pictures that you could take or you could find that are representative of what you're doing in that situation. So this is and if this is the actual name, you want to make that a pseudonym because we don't want to use any actual names if possible. Of course, we want to try and keep it confidential. I like the way you set this up. You're talking to me about what you're observing, and then you dive into the class observation. I like the bulleted points, and so you're kind of identifying a lot of what's going on and seeing things like a KWL and the asking of questions and how that one teacher is running everything. And then you're taking other notes like what you noticed. They just learned from a textbook, watched a video, completed a KWL chart, and the textbook in relation to this excitement of students. There's a direct relation, isn't there? And so you're noticing things about the classroom, and these are not negative to the teacher themselves. These are just things that you, as an outside observer, are able to pick up and will eventually have to do when you complete your own EdTPA. You're going to have to record yourself. So this is good. You're getting a sense of what that classroom is and how it operates. And then you interviewed the teacher, and I really like your questions. I think your questions are solid because you're trying to get at, is it difficult, and then is it difficult with being in the middle of this pandemic, the challenges. And so I really thought you're asking good questions, and you got some good information. And also, like down here, this is my first year teaching social studies, so all the hands-on help and involvement I can get is a plus. So you get to be, if you want, you can build a relationship with this teacher, and you can provide this teacher with information that you're learning in this classroom. You can provide them with the resources that I share, the lessons that you develop. You might even help this teacher develop some lessons. That's what I'm hearing, a lot of opportunity here to collaborate and work with a practicing teacher. It sounds like the teacher wants help and is open to any suggestions that you make. And so I like the way this is looking. I'm looking forward to seeing what you consider to be an action plan moving forward based on the information that you find in the literature review, which I'm guessing the literature review will go right here, and then your action plan will go right here. This is looking fantastic. I like it a lot. So now you just need to add you got to review the research and see what it says before you make a plan moving forward. Okay, thank you so much. This is looking great.